main factors we won is Jasprit Bumrah.
Virat Kohli!
The 11-year-long wait is over. India are world champions again. What this title meant to each player in the team was evident in the reactions that followed as soon as India pulled off a 7-run win in a nail-biting finish. The Prime Minister congratulated the team.
टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि-कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया।
And cricket fans celebrated in epic style. From Barbados to India, ecstatic cricket fans joined in to mark the historic feat achieved by Team India. Rohit Sharma's men in blue sealed a place in history with this victory. India became the first team to win the Men's T20 World Cup without losing a single match all tournament. This victory also makes India only the third team to win the Men's T20 World Cup for the second time.
तो सूर्या का कैच आउटस्टैंडिंग था, क्योंकि मैच गेम चेंजर बोलते हैं ना अपन, वो गेम चेंजिंग मोमेंट था जिधर अपने को वो मौका मिला।
Irrespective of the conditions we played, New York had a different conditions, Florida has a different condition, West Indies had a different conditions. But one great part of this team is they adapted really well. For the different surfaces, and there's a wind always comes into play in West Indies. So they adapted really well, and we never let our intensity go. They respect things. And one thing great about this team is camaraderie between each other. There's always somebody helping each other, working as a fielding unit is something special to see.
While India was jubilant, two modern greats of the game decided to call quits off the shortest format of the game. The hero of the final, Virat Kohli, and captain Rohit Sharma announced their retirements from T20s.
मेरे को अभी किसी ने बताया, भाई you started in 2007, you won the World Cup and you leaving the game winning the World Cup. So that's a tailor-made situation for me. Best. मतलब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था जब पहली बार इंडियन टीम में आया था 2007 में। पहला मेरा चैलेंज था, ऑब्वियसली मैं आयरलैंड गया था 50 ओवर के लिए, बट उसके बाद तुरंत ही हम साउथ अफ्रीका गए थे T20 वर्ल्ड कप खेलने के लिए और वहाँ पे जीते। उसके बाद अभी ये तो फुल सर्कल, प्रॉपर सर्कल, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस। मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि T20 रिटायर करूँगा मैं, बट सिचुएशन ऐसा आ गया। I thought it is the perfect situation for me, and nothing better than winning the cup. I will saying.
I just think I'll miss him as a person. I forget the cricket and forget the captain and everything. I just think I hope they still be friends. So I'm probably not going to miss that. But I think what's really impressed me, I think in all of this, is being just the kind of person he is, the kind of respect he's shown me. The kind of care and commitment he's had to the team, the kind of energy he's like to spend, and he's never backed down from it. So for me, I think it's the person that I will remember the most. His cricketing, he'll be a great captain, he'll be a great player, and he'll score whatever we did trophies. But I think it's me as a person that I will be vote for.
I also said that you quickly move on from squad rating, but would you be able to move on from this win?
Yeah, I will be. Yeah, I will be. I mean, next week, life will be same for me. I'll be unemployed. That will be good. So I'm unemployed next week. Any offers. But yeah, no, I think, it's a great moment. I'm loving it. I don't want to think too far ahead, but yes, I hope I'll be able to move on, and I think that's what life's about. Yeah, do the best. You work really hard, and then whatever falls your way, you deal with it and you move on.
हार्दिक पिछले कुछ महीने हार्दिक पांड्या होना आसान नहीं था, बहुत टफ रहे आपके लिए। वहाँ से ये जो आपको लग रहा है कोई ऊपर वाला आपके स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा है?
सर डेफिनेटली मैं ना बड़ा क्रेज पे मानता हूँ सर। बड़ी सारी चीज़ें बोली गई, बड़ी सारी चीज़ें कही गई, किसी को 1% पता है नहीं हार्दिक पटेल है कौन, लेकिन बातें सबने की है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बट मैंने हमेशा माना है लाइफ में आप कभी मुंह से जवाब नहीं देते हैं, हालात और चीज़ें जवाब दे सकती है। और मैंने वही जब वक्त भी मुश्किल था तब एक ही चीज़ मैंने कही पूरी लाइफ में, दैट आप ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं चल रहे हैं। जब मैं ग्रेस में बहुत मानता हूँ, आप ग्रेसफुल रहिए, हारिए जीतिए, ऊपर डाउन, अगर आप ग्रेस रखेंगे, आई थिंक इट इज़ टाइम फॉर our fans or everyone else to learn as well that irrelevant क्या हो लाइफ में, एक तरीका, आई थिंक एक बेहतर तरीका भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा अपने कंट्री में। और आई एम श्योर वो सेम लोग काफ़ी खुश होंगे और बस बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए नहीं।
हार्दिक, जब वो आप आखिरी ओवर डाल रहे थे तो कैन यू जस्ट टेल अस कि आपके मन में क्या रहा? 2016 में भी आपने एक आखिरी ओवर डाला था, आज यहाँ आखिरी ओवर डाल रहे थे। डिड यू एक्चुअली फील द प्रेशर कि अब सब कुछ मेरे ऊपर ही आ चुका है करके, और डू यू एंजॉय, बिकॉज वी गेट टू सी दैट यू ऑलवेज एंजॉय टेकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मोमेंट्स?
I think, if I be very honest, with same time I think I was enjoying it because ऐसे मौके लाइफ में बहुत ही कम लोगों को मिलते हैं जहाँ लाइफ बोलते हैं एक चेंज हो सकती है। और ऑब्वियसली यहाँ ऑपोजिट भी जा सकता था चीज़ वो मुश्किल, लेकिन मैं हमेशा आधा ग्लास फुल समझता हूँ, कभी आधा ग्लास खाली नहीं समझता। तो आई थिंक उस मोमेंट पे मुझे पता था मैं प्रेशर लेके कुछ फ़ायदा है नहीं। प्रेशर आई थिंक सब बाहर ले ही रहे थे, तो मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि अपनी स्किल सेट पे मैं कैसे ध्यान दे पाऊँ और एग्जीक्यूट कर पाऊँ, और इससे बेहतर मौका था ही नहीं। पूरे जो मतलब पूरा चीज़ जो होना चाहिए थी इवेंचुअली केम डाउन, इट वाज रिटन मेरे लाइफ में। आई थिंक ये मोमेंट लिखा हुआ था और बोलते मैंने पहले ही बोला था, लक हमेशा जो मेहनत करते हैं उनके ऊपर आता है। सो कोशिश की थी मेहनत करते रहो, सब नीचे रखो और हंसते रहो। और आज एक और काफ़ी लंबी हंसी रहेगी काफ़ी टाइम तक। सो बहुत कोशिश आई थिंक very very happy for Ro and Virat. It has been, I think, very special, two giants of Indian cricket, two legends of Indian cricket who I think thoroughly deserve this, and it's been so amazing playing with them for so many years in this format, and obviously we all will miss them, but at the same point of time I think this is the best farewell as a teammate and as brotherhood which we have created, in which we can give them. I mean, they've been giants. I can't say much about them. They've been legends in this field. I mean, all formats, not just this format, but definitely, very, very happy for them to end like this.
This victory also serves as a tribute to India's outgoing coach Rahul Dravid.
I'm not using shorter words, but I really have to say any shorter words over the last few hours. I just could not be more proud of this team. The way we had to fight the FIFA situations. Even today, I think we have a great testament to the fight in the team. We lost 3 wickets in the first 6. To me, the kind of position we were in with 30 balls to go. But we never kept, the boys just kept fighting. They kept believing. And I think it's just a great credit to them. As a player, I was not lucky enough to win a trophy. But I tried my best. I keep always it goes into pain. That happened. It's part of sport. None of other players I know they are not me. I was lucky to get the opportunity to coach a team, and I was lucky that this bunch of boys made it possible for me to be able to come free. It's a great, nice training, but it's not like I'm aiming for some redemption. It's just a job that I was doing. I love doing the job. I love working with with Rohit and this team. It's a great journey, and I really enjoyed it.
A redemption of sorts for India's wall after the debacle here in the West Indies in 2007 when he was the skipper. History has been made. India's glorious success story in world cricket continues. Hindustan Times, along with Hindustan, says thank you, Men in Blue.